Hello everyone, welcome to my channel called Give Me 5 Minutes, where we teach you simple concepts within a span of 5 minutes. And today, we'll be looking at the 5 basic text functions in Excel. The first function we'll be looking at is trim. Now trim is basically used when you want to remove the extra spaces from a text value. As you can see in this text string, we have some extra spaces in the beginning as well as in the middle of this text. And suppose you want to remove those spaces. Then what you need to do is just type in is equals to trim, open the bracket, select the text string, close the bracket and press enter. And now you can see that the extra spaces have been removed from this text. The next function we'll be covering is concatenate. Concatenate is basically used when you want to combine multiple text strings into one text string. So suppose we wanted to combine these two text strings into one, then you can do that using concatenate. Just type equals to concatenate, open the bracket, select the first text string, comma, the second text string, close the bracket, press enter. Now you can see that Narendra Modi in India has been combined into one text string. However, what you can also see is that there is no space between these two text strings. And suppose you wanted to insert a space or a comma between two text strings, then you can do that as well using concatenate. What you need to do is type in is equals to concatenate, open the bracket, select the first text string. Now whatever extra space or comma that you want to enter, just enter that within double quotes. So suppose we wanted an extra comma followed by a space here, then you can enter that within double quotes, then comma and select the second text string, close the bracket and press enter. So now you can see we have Narendra Modi, comma, space, India. The next function we'll be talking about is left. Left basically returns a number of characters from the start of a string. So suppose from this string, we wanted to return the first three characters, which is VLA. And you can do that using left. Just type in is equals to left. Select the string. Type in the number of characters that you want to return as the second argument. We want 3 characters here. So we'll type in 3, close the bracket and press enter. We have 3 characters from the start of the string. Similarly, we have right, which returns a number of characters from the end of a string. We'll type in right. Select this string. And suppose you wanted 4 characters from the end of the string, then you can enter 4, close the bracket. And you can see that we have the last 4 characters returned from this. The next function we'll be covering is mid. What mid basically does is it returns a number of characters from the middle of a string. So suppose in this string, Pedro Sanchez, we wanted to return EDR, 3 characters from this string. So you can do that using mid. Just type in mid, open the bracket, select the string. The second argument which you will be passing is the position from which you want to start returning the characters. We'll type in 2 here, 2 because we want to return EDR and E is basically at the second position. And the third argument which you will be passing is the number of characters you want to return. So since we want to return EDR, which is 3 letters or 3 characters, we'll type in 3. Close the bracket and press enter. And see we have EDR returned from the string. The next function we'll be covering is upper. Upper basically returns the text or string in capital letters or uppercase, and similarly we have lower, which returns the string in lowercase or small letters. What you need to do is just type in is equals to upper, open the bracket, select the text string, close the bracket and press enter. So you can see Emmanuel Macron has been returned in uppercase. Similarly lower, select the text string, close the bracket and press enter. Hope you found this video useful. Do like and subscribe our channel if you enjoyed learning. Thank you.